everything in the basement is completely damaged. We were unable to salvage anything.
Alright, so it's been raining since yesterday, about middle of the day. A little wet? I am. I don't have a GoPro.
Everything you are and everything you has been called. Fights and battles have begun. Revenge will surely come. Times are ahead.
I don't know if you can see that, but down there is all flooded. It just started to lighten up. We're going to be taking that bad boy to school. We're already late, but that's okay. And we'll see how this goes.